So Konux is keeping the German railway tracks safe. I think they reduced the costs for the Deutsche Bundesbahn. It's not that they pass on the savings to the consumers.
Right.
But I think it's your biggest customer. And yeah, Konux is one of the early mover IoT companies out of Germany. And I don't know if it's officially a unicorn yet, but I think it's probably soon.
On its
Stage
way.
is yours, and we have a long history around ClickTail, and
Yeah.
Shlomi came to NOAH already many moons ago. Serial entrepreneur, of course.
Thank you, Marco. So, Marco,
Congratulations.
thank you for invitation. And yeah, this is my third time in NOAH. I've done this twice, once with a company called ClickTail, and second time with Content Square. And yeah, it's a real pleasure being here with this amazing organization. So let's speak about Konux. So Konux, as Marco said, we are at Konux. We are the AI leader in sustainable mobility, mainly in railway. What we have managed to do in the last 5 years, we have managed to collect more than 200 million of data which is related to the train traces. And based on this data, we fuel our product. And this also helps us not only fuel our product, but also accelerating the digitalization that is part of our product and what we provide to the others. And there are large, as you can see, infrastructure manufacturer or providers that recognize our solution, and the name speaks for itself. The main one is Deutsche Bahn. And our main achievement, of course, is that we were the first scale-up company to win 2 European tenders, one with Deutsche Bahn, which is the largest in Germany, and of course also the main one in Germany and the largest in Europe, and with ADIF, which is the largest in Spain. And these are our main success in Europe, but there are more to come, like National Rail, where we already operate, and other prospects where we are heading to. In order to meet our rapid trajectory growth, we need to expand, and that's what we have been doing, expanding our executive C-level. And we hired several executives. Andreas Lloyd, that you see over there on the right left, on the top left, is our founder and CEO. And together with the rest of the management, Johanna, who is our GC and Chief of HR, myself as the global CFO, and Dr. Thomas Bourne, who is one of the experts when it's related to AI for railway, and Mark Gaines, who is our CTO. Among our board members, you can see Dr. Klaus Kleinfeld, who was the CEO of Siemens for many years, and now is our chairman, together with Michael Baum, who is the founder and CEO of Splunk. He, by the way, was the first investor in Konux, and Dr. Greg Papadopoulos, who is from NEA, who is one of our major investors, together with several of the largest family offices in Germany. And of course, that there are awards for recognition and other for our unique technology. What we believe in Konux that railway should lead the future of mobility. And that's why we integrated deep technology together with AI and IoT. And this enables us to come with new products, which are unique solutions for the future. And as you can see, by shifting to rail, we can first of all save 60% of the global GHG emission. On the right, you can see a comparison between several vehicles, which shows that if you move from plane to car to bus and of course to train, then the GHG emission per person per kilometer is the lower. And another thing which is of course very important, and this is 20 times safer than cars. There are also new national mandates to back railway, such as the 1 trillion European agenda, which support lots of companies. And this is something, of course, that helps us and other companies in our progress. So let's focus and let's discuss some of the critical constraints which are related to the railway industry. The first one is the skyrocketing demand. We are 140% above demand, and we expect this to be doubled by 2050. And there is another thing, which is the intervention that lots of countries, lots of operators are trying to repair the old infrastructure, and they're failing. And today, the estimation of fixing this crisis is about 370 million on the global OPEX and CAPEX in order just to repair it as of today. And of course, this keep increasing in the future. And there is another thing, which is the political demand for changes. The political demand is among end users. Today, only in Europe, there is about 40% of dissatisfaction rate from the service that railway provide its end users. By the way, whatever we do, even the accumulated investment that we are going to do will not keep the pace of the rising demand, and that's the main constraint that we are dealing with. These are quotes from several media sources around the world, showing that the railway capacity problem is a global crisis. It's not only in Europe, of course, that it's only in the US, it's in Asia, it's all over. And you can see, of course, over there, the Washington Post, the Wall Street Journal, the Guardian, each one of them comes with the same problem, the problem of the capacity of the network, which is related to the railway. And the demand is expected to double. I already mentioned that by 2050, it's going to double. And without significant transformation, existing rail infrastructure is going to collapse. And that's where we, in Konux, are getting in. We are getting with our solutions in order to solve it. So basically, what is our vision? Our vision is to transform railway operation for a sustainable future. And our mission is to make railway the mobility choice of tomorrow by increasing capacity, reliability, and cost efficiency. All this vision, mission, this revolution will not be impossible without transformational changes. What we are doing, we're basically building the AI brain for rail, giving that experience, memory, decision-making, I would say even intelligence are the core part of the human brain. We have named our solution, our portfolio, the AI brain for rail. And what we provide the next generation of predictive maintenance, traffic monitoring, and decision modules for the railway manufacturer globally. We have in our solution 2 products. One product is the Konux switch, which is our main product right now that we monetize. And basically, we're talking about a predicted maintenance solution for free switches and an optimal cost. And we are talking about a solution that can save, as of today, around 9.2 billion. 9.2 billion for saving in terms of capacity, delay, maintenance, and assets lifetime. And the second product that we are already, it's already in development, but not yet in production, called Konux Traffic, which is a decision support solution for managing rail traffic operation. And there we are talking about a saving close to 15 million globally. And over there, again, how we are going to achieve this saving? By implementing the product, and this is in terms of delays of train. I'm sure that each one of us in each region face already the delays in train, and this is basically being calculated and being monitored by KPIs of delays minutes. So let's start with Konux Switch, our main product. This is an end-to-end predicted maintenance for delay-free switches. And basically what this product uses, it uses both IoT devices together with AI, and everything is in order to improve the network capacity. By implementing this product, we can save 50% of the delay minutes by improving availability. We can even reduce the CAPEX and the OPEX by 30% by optimizing actions. And since this product is continuously monitoring the health of the switch, then in the end of the day, we can also extend the switch lifetime by 20%. And as you can see over there, we are basically implementing a box behind the train, and this box sends signals. Based on the signals, we know what is the status of the switch, which is one of the critical part of the railway. So over the last 5 years, our main customer is Deutsche Bahn, and we have built success in our own base. We managed to transform Deutsche Bahn, and as of today, we have more than 4,150 assets monitored. This represents 50% of the market penetration. We have thousands of users who have insights and getting insights to our solution. And over the last year, you can see this 2022 to 2023. So in the dark blue, you can see the number of devices that we had installed in Germany. This is the map of Germany in 2022. Only in 2023, we managed to 5 times increase it and 5 times having an operational growth. So the light blue, these are the new devices that we managed to install, and they are already kind of in monitoring and sending their signals to the operator. The following is a quote from Stefan Leistner. Stefan Leistner is the head of market strategy in Deutsche Bahn. And based on this quote, meaning that Deutsche Bahn relying on our product, on their maintenance of their devices, and this is something that Deutsche Bahn, us and Deutsche Bahn, we are already in a partnership, a long-term partnership, which basically we are going to keep monitoring it. We are doing the same with Adif, with Spain, but we just started a railway network rail in the UK, and there are more prospects to come. The second product, which is our next product called Konux Traffic. And Konux Traffic is a decision support solution for managing rail traffic operation. Basically, this product uses the train movement data, and based on this information, we optimize and improve the train schedules and the timetable resilience. And basically what the product does, the products monitor and determine where the delay happened, when it happened, and how to improve it for the future. And my last slide is about Konux and where we are heading to. So we are now in a position that we have multiple growth strategy. The first one is with our existing product, where we implement it already, and we are right now accelerating the growth with our existing market and existing product by upselling, of course, upselling the customers. With our new product, we are introducing it to our existing customer while leveraging it into new market. And on the strategic side, since we have a unique solution, which is the only AI solution for railway based on movement, based on data that we collect, so Konux is the ultimate company for partnership. And we are already in touch with some of the big partners that can take the company into its next phase. While another thing that we are doing, we are also looking for M&A opportunities in order to buy companies. This is on the buy side, in order to expand our product offering. Thank you.